Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with flip-down travel rack, solar power prep, outside speakers, outside kitchen refrigerator, electric awning, outside shower, LED exterior lighting, roof ladder, heated enclosed underbelly, automatic levelers, triple slides, triple step entry, outside kitchen sink, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, backup camera ready, rear bunkhouse, dual bedroom nightstands, pleated shades, storage drawers under each booth, oven, vanity with sink, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth stereo system, tri-fold sofa, bathroom toilet, double door refrigerator, dual lights over headboard, range hood with exhaust fan and light, wardrobe with storage drawers, living area television. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.